What up, tube? Welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. It's good to be back, guys. Today is Friday, my second day of the week. Headed to the shop right now. It's about 8:20. Still a little early. We don't open till 9. Well, we don't open till 9 technically, but we're always there earlier. Yeah, we're always there earlier, so we're early rise shop, but we close a little early. So you guys already know my routine. Most of you guys are with me. You guys know how I am. I'm an early riser. Whether you guys are just joining me, you guys don't know too much about me. I am an early riser. I'm a person that suggest to all barbers that they get a good mindset of getting up early every single day and getting a bright start. Excuse me. You know, we rise early, we get up early, we go work early, guys. That's what it is. That's what it's all about. That's how this business is like. If you're a late bloomer, then you need to get with it, because you're not going to make it in this business, guys. You need to rise and shine, rise and grind every single day. Wake up early. Get that mindset in your mind that you need to get to work on time every single day. So I'm headed to the shop today, guys. Today's going to be a little bit different. Today I am doing a update review on my Braun Series 9. Braun Series 9, guys. I got this machine way back in, I want to say February, maybe March, the early March. I think it's late February. I'll look up the dates and let you guys know later in the vlog exactly how long I've had it. But I've had it over 6 months. So I'm going to call this my 6-month update. And, you know, guys, I'm going to tell you right now, 6 months, maybe 8 months, okay? 8 months I've had this machine, and I've used it religiously every single day. I still have my Wahl shaver there, only because I have one customer that always asks for it, and it's my backup, you know, just in case, you know. And sometimes I get in little spots where I can't get the big machine in there, so I grab the little machine. But, you know, I use both of them. But the Braun Series 9, it's legit, guys. If you guys don't have it, I highly recommend that you invest the money to have it. Yes, it is a little bit more. It's $250 with the cleaning station, but it's well worth it, guys. Just the time that it eliminates in mowing down the hair, to me, you know. And this is when I realized what a great machine it is. Maybe a month ago, my blade, the cutting blade on top of the Braun Series 9, you know, the cartridge that goes on top, the head, well, one on the head finally went out on it after 8 months. So the machine, the head lasted 8 months, the first head, okay? So one of the blades came off of it. When they came off of it, I decided, okay, it's too dangerous to use on customers, so I'm going to use my Wahl. Man, when I went back to the Wahl, guys, that's when I realized what the difference in the two machines is. You know, like the Braun Series 9 is just so much faster and it's so much smoother. And I just gotten used to it. I know how to use that machine, push it up, grind it into the skin, leaves it nice and smooth. You can use it on children, you can use it on the head, you can use it on the neck, you can use it on the face. So it's a very versatile machine. The Wahl, to me, it just doesn't have the same amount of power. I tried to go back and use it, and that day I just realized that no, I gotta stick with the Braun Series 9. I ordered another head for it. And then the incredible thing about it, and I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys later, is that the head where the old head on the old machine, one of the blades came off of it, and it still worked. I picked it up one day by accident, kept using it. I'm like, oh shit, it still works. It works really good, you know. So I continued to use it until the new head came in for the new machine, for the Braun Series 9. And the head for the replacement foil cost me I think it was $48. So it's, you know, substantially more than the Wahl, but it's well worth it, guys. It's well worth it. I'm gonna do some demos. I'm gonna show you guys what I've done with it, and I'll give you some stats on it, and we'll go as the day goes along. Okay? I'm gonna grab myself a donut, some coffee, and then I'm gonna head to the shop, get started on this day. I'm in the back of the head. I'm give you a sick chili bowl right now, dog.
Chili bowl?
Give you a sick chili bowl.
Hey, I need 2 lines right here.
Oh my god. How often do you guys do razor fades, guys? I want to ask you guys that question. Leave me a comment below. Me personally, razor fade to me is done with a straight razor or with a razor machine, you know, to me. So if a customer comes to me and tells me I want to get a fade, a zero. If he gets a zero, I'm automatically always shaving them on the bottom with my razor machine. Always. You always take that stubble off. That's how you get a super clean fade. If you don't shave that stubble off, then he's not gonna have a super clean shave. He's gonna have stubble there. So there's two ways of doing it. You can do it with a straight razor. You do it with a straight razor, you can only go one stroke. You're not gonna go the opposite way on a straight razor. So if you go one way coming down, if you run your hand the opposite way, you're always gonna feel stubble there. So to me, if a customer wants razor fade with a razor, I'm gonna shave them with the razor, and then I'm gonna go over it with my machine, just to get that stubble off, so it gets extra nice and clean. So with me, automatically, they get a razor fade with a razor. They request a straight razor, then I'm automatically gonna hit it afterwards with the razor machine anyway. So before I used to always say, like, you sure you want it with a razor? It's better with a razor machine. But instead of explaining all that, I just do it both ways now. I do them a double. I do it with a razor, and then I'll go with a machine. If they don't care, if there's not a preference to them, they tell me do it the way you want to do it, then I'll always use a machine. Because the Braun Series 9 gets it so close and so nice that you really don't need to go with a straight razor. The razor machine is sufficient, you know. And trust me, I've already used this machine for 8 months, and I use it every single day. And I'm doing 10, 15 during the week, and 20, 30 on the weekends. And I religiously use it, and I use it on everybody. I use it on little kids, as I demonstrated in the little video that I just showed you right now. It gets everything down. It gets it nice and clean. It's comfortable. It doesn't bite. It doesn't hurt. A lot of kids, the little kids, sometimes you just gotta let them know, like, no, it doesn't hurt, trust me, and you start doing it nice and soft, and eventually they'll take to it. And you know, guess what, the parents appreciate it, because that haircut's gonna last them a lot longer than if you didn't shave off the stubble, because the stubble is the starting pattern of more hair. You know, if you take that all off, then you're getting them down to the skin. It's gonna come out extra nice and crispy. That's just a hint for you guys that aren't, when you guys are doing fades, you know, make it a point, guys, to shave everybody. If I get a 2-year-old in my and he's getting a zero, he's gonna get shaved on the bottom. I can guarantee you that. I do it to everybody. That way the haircuts all come symmetrical. They always look the same, you know. If you look on my pictures on my haircuts, my fades all look pretty much the same, and I try to leave them as tight as possible on the bottom. I'm actually known for that. I'm actually, they'll say that I shave all the haircuts. And little kids, you know, you gotta let them know that, hey, we're coming in with this machine. It's a little loud, you know, and a lot of times they'll sit right through it. It's never a problem. Okay, guys, it's right now it's already about noon. I already been cutting at the shop. It's been super busy. It's Friday, no? I got 5 barbers working today, so it's nice and comfortable. I'm not working too hard. So I'm gonna come in here, do some of my banking real quick. We'll get some lunch and head back to the shop and finish this day strong off today. I don't know if you guys see my shirt right here. Today is a rivalry week here in our city. My city that I live in is Azusa. And it's where my shop is, and I live there. And I grew up in the city. This high school that I went to was Azusa High School, where the Aztecs. And the school below it, they don't matter. They're Gladstone, but they don't really care. Well, they get beat every year by us anyway. So tonight's a football game here at our college, and it's kind of a rivalry week here in our city. So it's fun, and a lot of kids are coming in for haircuts, getting ready for tonight's game. It's a big deal here in our city. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go back, go take care of this, and then probably post up a haircut or so, and then I'll finish off the vlog at the end of the day, guys. Hey, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Good to be back. It's my little granddaughter right there, Lauren Sophia. She came to visit her grandpa first time at the barbershop. Except she doesn't want to wake up. Little sleepyhead. First time at the barbershop today.
Another picture day.
That's my little devil over there.
Picture day. It's all pumped up.
Well, this Friday is over already. Pretty busy. Turned out to be a really good day. let's get back into this Braun, okay, guys? You know, I thought it was 8 months. It's not 8 months. It's barely 6 months. The vlog that I made, well, you know, maybe I've had it about maybe 7 months, because the vlog that I made was on March 8th, the last March vlog, which is the vlog that I originally did the Braun review on it. And actually, to tell you guys the truth, that is my best vlog. That vlog's got over 21,000 views, so it's been my best video by far. And I always get a lot of, it's one of my best videos every week, every month. It's still continuing to give a lot of views. So guys, this is my machine. You notice right here? That's the only thing I have to complain about it. My button busted. Still works. I just gotta stick my finger in there and push it, but I have 1 year warranty on it. I have to send it back, but I love this machine so much that it's hard for me to send it back. So I've actually, you know, if I was to drop this machine today and it would break, I would buy another one. And I know, yes, it's $250 and it's more expensive than any of the other machines, but it exceeds the value of it. You need to have this machine. If you guys don't have this machine, if you're a barber, you need to have this machine. If you are an individual out there that shaves his head and is tired of using razors, you need to get this machine. This machine will get it down. I know people that bought this machine because of the fact that it mows down a lot of stubble. You know, it'll take it down almost down to a 1.5. You know, it'll take your hair down all the way to a 0. So it's a great machine, guys. I got a quick story about the head. The head, 6 months, so 7 months, because of when I made that vlog, I already had it for about a month before I actually made the vlog, that review, I mean. So the head finally busted on it. Let me show you guys. I actually kept it for this reason, but as you guys can see right here, see the front right there? The tooth came out, okay? Let me show you guys. See? That's the one that busted, and that's the new one. So that little blade, that gold blade, came out. Okay? When that busted, I thought it was broken, so I put it away. I put it down, but one day, because I was busy, I grabbed it and I started using it, and it still cut. It cut really good. So I continued to use it until I got the replacement blade. The replacement head cost me $48. It lasted me 6 months, but take into consideration that I probably used this machine on 1,000 haircuts. I would say at least 1,000 haircuts. So yes, it's worth it. And another thing too, when that blade busted on it, and I started using the other one, I went back to my Wahl, and I was using my Wahl again, and oh my god, when that happened, I thought to myself, I'm like, I just slowed myself down. It's just totally different using a Wahl than using the Braun. The Braun is a lot faster, a lot smoother. I think it leaves it a lot nicer. That's my final assumption on the machine. I mean, like, this thing right here, useless. I never use it. But just a fact, listen to it. You hear that? Super strong, guys. Super strong. Let me explain something else, what I do to this, okay? What I do to save some money is I get the machine. See how it gets all full of hair right there? See that? I get my air hose, blow it, blow it out, put it back in here, and then I put it into my bay. Let me show you guys my bay over here. So this is my cleaning bay right here. This is where you set your machine down, put it in here. This is what I love about this thing. See how this thing right here, it tells me that it's getting charged up. So long as I set my machine back in here, not once have I ever picked this machine up and has it not had power. And I've already, in the 6 months that I've been using it, never, ever. So basically I set it in here, and once a night before I leave, like tonight, I'll push this button right here, and that starts the circulation of the water. I don't want to start it yet because I want to show you guys how you can open it up. But back here there's a button, pop it open, and this little bay comes out. It comes out from the other side. And this is where your water gets cleaned up. See, this one still has a little bit, but it's already dirty, as you guys could tell. See, it's a little dirty there. It's almost done. But you put your little bay in here, and this is what keeps your machine nice and clean. Pop it back down. Okay. Show you guys. Put it back in there, and then you push this button. You hear that? What that is there's a jet that shoots the liquid into the machine, and it cleans it all out for you. So that tomorrow when I come in, it's all set up, ready to go, nice and cleaned up. Alright guys, I showed you guys the bay, I showed you guys how it cleans, I showed you guys what it does, I showed you some video of how I use it. I use this on little kids, I use this on grown people, I use it on the head, for balding heads. It's a great machine, guys. If you guys don't have this, get it. You know, it's like anything, you get what you pay for. This is a great machine. Yeah, it's a little bit more expensive. If you don't want to pay for the Braun Series 9, get the Braun Series 7. It's just as good. Is it worth it? Yes. Will it save you time? Yes. Will it make you faster? Yes. Will it make your haircut smoother? I believe so. Some people don't think so. I think so. But it doesn't make, for sure it speeds you up. It speeds up your working time. It's a great machine, guys. I highly recommend it. I've already had it. Like I said, if I dropped this machine tomorrow and it broke, I would buy another one. I'm probably gonna buy another one because my button busted on it, so I have to send it back to the manufacturer. So in order to send it back to the manufacturer, that's gonna leave me with no machine. So I think I'm gonna buy another one. That way I can send this one to get fixed, and I'll use the other one. That way I have a backup. I like to have two of every machines anyway. That's the type of guy I am. That's the kind of barber I am. But hey guys, that's my updated review on this Braun Series 9. It's a great machine, guys. If you're asking me, should you get it? I'd say definitely invest some money in it. It's well worth it. It's going to save you time, and it's a great machine. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching another vlog for Big Al's Barbershop, Big Al's Barber Channel, and I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Hey, guys, one other thing I forgot to mention to you guys. If you guys are interested in getting the Braun Series 9 for yourself, I provided a link below under the description. It's an affiliate link. I make a couple bucks on each one that I sell, but if you guys want it delivered to your house without having to go buy it, you can get a warranty through Amazon or anything. Just click the link below and they'll ship it right to your house. Hey guys, that's how I got mine. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys mañana.